Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to do organic chemistry for Neet. Begin by building a strong foundation in basic principles. Focus on understanding concepts such as hybridization, bonding, and the structure of organic molecules. Mastering EUPAC nomenclature is crucial for accurately identifying compounds. Additionally, learning common reaction mechanisms will help you predict products and understand reaction pathways effectively. Next, dive into the core reactions that frequently appear in exams. Pay special attention to electrophilic and nucleophilic substitution, as well as elimination reactions. A thorough understanding of isomerism, covering both structural and stereoisomerism, is also vital. Make sure you can identify various functional groups and recall their unique chemical properties and reactivity. Consistent practice is key to success. Aim to solve a minimum of 50 multiple-choice questions every day to reinforce your learning and improve speed. Regularly review previous year's Neet questions to understand the exam pattern and identify frequently tested topics. Additionally, creating your own concise, handwritten notes will aid in quick and effective revision before the exam. To truly excel, try visualizing molecules in 3 dimensions. This helps with understanding stereochemistry. Connect theoretical concepts to real-world applications to make learning more engaging and memorable. Remember, a holistic approach to studying organic chemistry will yield the best results. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.